Alright, let's talk about money. More specifically, let's talk about getting your money onto Koho. You've probably heard of it, right? The digital bank that's trying to shake things up. But here's the burning question. Can you actually wire money to your Koho account? I mean, think about it. Wire transfers are like the old school, armored car method of moving cash. They're secure, they're fast, and they can handle large sums. So, naturally, you'd want to use them for everything, right? Well, maybe not with Koho. Let's dive into this. Because before you start typing in those long strings of numbers for a wire transfer, you need to know if it's even going to work. I've heard rumors, I've seen whispers on the internet, but it's time to cut through the noise and get you a straight answer. So, does Koho accept wire transfers? The short answer is no. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck? How am I supposed to get my big bucks into this shiny new account then? Good question. Let's break down why wire transfers are a no-go for Koho and what your alternatives are. Koho is a relatively new player in the financial game. They're focusing on providing a streamlined, digital experience. This means they've chosen to prioritize certain payment methods while leaving others on the sidelines. Wire transfers, unfortunately, fall into the latter category. But don't despair. There are other ways to get your money onto Koho. The most common method is direct deposit. It's like magic, your paycheck just appears in your account. It's easy, it's secure, and it's often the fastest way to get your hands on your hard-earned cash. Another option is to transfer money from your existing bank account. Most people already have a traditional bank, and Koho makes it pretty simple to link those accounts up. Once they're connected, you can transfer funds whenever you need to. It's not as fast as direct deposit, but it gets the job done. Now, let's talk about those larger sums. Maybe you're selling a car, or you've got a big freelance payment coming in. You're thinking, okay, direct deposit and regular transfers are fine for small stuff, but what about the big bucks? Well, Koho does have limits on how much you can deposit at once. These limits are in place for your protection, to prevent fraud and other issues. So, if you're expecting a large sum, you might need to break it up into smaller transfers or explore alternative options. But wait, there's more. What about those of you who live outside of Canada? Can you even use Koho? And if you can, how do you get your money in there? We'll tackle those questions in another video. So, to recap, Koho does not currently accept wire transfers. But don't panic. Direct deposit, transfers from linked bank accounts, and understanding deposit limits are your go-to strategies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.